Hello folks, Eva here. Just wanted to talk to you about a couple of pointers to help you with your Warrior Two practice. Things that I have observed over the years and things that I've learned in my own practice of this pose. So two things, one about the knee and the hip alignment and the challenges that getting the hip alignment and the knee alignment together might cause. And secondly, just a word about the shoulder and hip alignment in Warrior Two. Okay, so let's take the hips and the knees first. So Warrior Two's got a nice wide stance, and unlike Warrior One, the hips in Warrior Two, they face the side of the mat, so an open position for the hips, yeah? However, keeping that open hip position becomes a challenge sometimes if we're tight in the rotators of the leg. Okay, so let's turn. If I turn my right foot to the top of the mat, already my hips are no longer facing the side. They're ever so slightly now starting to rotate, in my case, to the top left-hand corner of my mat. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing, I'm going to bend into my right knee. And the alignment of the knee in Warrior Two is directly in line with the second and third toes. So we always want to have that alignment of the first two toes apart from the big toe and the knee. So for that to happen in my body, and then if I start to draw my hips to face forward, my knee starts to cave in towards the middle of the mat. And we want to prioritize the knee. Okay, so what we don't want to do is focus on the hips and really draw them to the edges of the mat, so that this knee caves in and it causes pressure onto your ligaments in the knee joint, and that's kind of, we don't want that, no way. So prioritize having the nice alignment with the knee, and therefore just allow your hips to follow the rotation of your leg, and you can also bring in the back toes a little as well, and that can help. You know, over time, maybe we start to align the hips a bit more to the side, but it's a balance between getting it right at the front and getting it right at the side without compromising the knee. So I hope that makes sense. Maybe give it a try and see how your own knees and your own hips feel. Okay, the other thing that I just wanted to talk about was how the shoulders should stay in Warrior Two. So I'll do the other side. So when we come in to Warrior Two, bring the arms up to shoulder height. The shoulders stay over the hips. Yeah, so the torso, the head, the shoulders, the pelvis should be like your mountain. Okay, so the head directly over the spine. The only thing that moves when you set up your warrior is you turn your neck, so it's a rotation of the neck only, and you gaze to the middle finger of your front hand. What we want to avoid is this sort of leaning, reaching warrior that I sometimes see. Okay, so keep your shoulders over your hips, the crown of the head over the spine, so a mountain pose in the upper body, and we only turn the neck to look at the hand. Okay, I hope that makes a little bit of sense, and I hope that it will bring you some assistance and things to think about in your own practice. Thanks for watching.